It is a beautiful day, and I'm here at Bootlegger Harley-Davidson. I got my nephew J3 with me here. I remember coming down these stairs, looking at all these motorcycles, and my bike was parked right here under this bed. First time I rode that Harley-Davidson, I was just like, I loved it. When I got the Street Glide, I loved it. When I rode the Road Glide, I loved it. The first ride is always a great ride, but there's something that has to happen before there's a second ride. It doesn't even come out the garage until this product is installed on my bike.
And Tall is brought to you by Custom Dynamics, Zippers Performance, Chromeworks, Red Line Oil, Volunteer Audio, and Let's Roll.
We about to ride, you about to ride.
What is this? What is this right here? No, absolutely not. Incandescent bulbs on a bike. That's a no-no. Incandescent bulbs on this bike. Today, I'm excited to make this announcement. You can see the hat. The Traveling Tall Custom Dynamics Edition. Front and rear turn signals, smoke lenses, and a magic strobe.
For a limited time, the Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall Edition package, which includes front LED turn signals, rear LED turn signals, smoke lenses, the magic strobe brake flasher, and a Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall collaboration hat. There's a limited supply. Make sure you order yours today. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
All right, guys, so we outside. Let me show you the family. They pulled up on the Harleys. I would say the Glides, but there's one that's not a Glide right there. Belongs to my sister. So I got Leonard here. Guys, check out his hat too, by the way. That Traveling Tall. That's the hat you get with the Traveling Tall Edition package that comes with the hat. Leonard, so what was the first upgrade you did on this motorcycle?
Custom dynamic lights. I got all the way around.
Now, why is it important for you to have custom dynamic lights on a motorcycle?
To be seen and to see.
His bike, they just got caught in the rain, so they're a little dirty right now. They was clean. So he has the custom dynamic lights. Here is that perfect example of the magic strobe that you'll get in the kit. And these are the turn signals that you're gonna get in the kit with the smoke lenses in the rear. Now, why did you choose the smoke lenses over the red lenses?
To match the bike, my bike is black. I like to try to keep everything. Ooh, that thing is dirty. To keep everything together. I used to run red, but then I changed it because the lights are flashing red anyway, so let them see better.
Now, so for anyone who just bought a new Harley-Davidson, what would be the first install they need to do?
They need to get the Traveling Tall kit with the turn signals and the magic strobe.
Now, we over here with my sister with brown sugar. What was the first install you did on your bike?
Custom dynamic lights.
And she has the turn signals, the smoke ones in the back. She has the smoke brake light. And then in the front, the turn signals in the front. Why was it important for you to put custom dynamic lights on your bike?
So I can be seen. That's the most important thing.
Because also it went from just the brake light to now everything flashes.
Let's go to my dad right here. Y'all seen his bike on the channel before. And his bike was clean too before he got caught in the rain. Daddy, what was the first install you did on this bike?
Probably the turn signal lights on the front, I'd say. You know, I've been having custom dynamics a long time ago. Okay, this is the first one was the custom dynamic.
Yeah.
With turn signal. Then we got the headlight, we got the spotlight, got I don't know what you call
windshield
that
trim.
Windshield trim, yeah.
The mirrors.
The mirrors.
Yeah.
Then you can move on back here.
Yeah, guys, there's a whole lot going on in the back.
And this is special right here.
Yeah,
Because it ain't been out that long.
Yep.
That tour pack light. We got the one on the side too.
Yeah.
I've been having
Sidearm lights.
for a long time. And the tail light and the fingertip light.
Magic strobe. There you go. So now, why is it important for you to have custom dynamic lights on your bike?
So you can be seen really good. Well, it was riding in some pretty rough weather. Well, it wasn't rough weather, but it was raining. And you want people to see you when you put on your brakes. If you can't see that when you put on your brakes, you can't see.
Daddy, let me show him your hat. And guys, just in the Traveling Tall Edition package, you see the hat right there.
Yeah.
Same hat. Oh, and then we have another guy that just pulled up. Now, this guy right here, he's in his car. He didn't ride today, but I'm gonna ask you. He rides the Ultra, guys. You've seen it in the video before. Me and him went on a road trip. one of the first installs that you did on your bike?
My lights,
What kind of lights?
custom dynamic,
Why?
lifetime warranty. Man, they light up the road. They're pretty bright for me.
Hey, Sid. What's up? So I got my uncle here. He's in from Fayetteville, North Carolina. So check this out. I'm gonna ask you a question. What was the first, and guys, he just bought a belt. He ain't coming out here to whoop nobody. What was the first install you did on your bike?
Custom dynamic lights.
Let's go see your bike. And as we walk over here, and his bike is usually clean too. He just got caught in the rain, guys. What do you got on here, custom dynamics?
LEDs. I got the plasma rods, and I got the backlight, and I got the tour pack light. Here we go.
And then let's go to the front real fast. And you got the custom, guys, these are the same custom dynamic turn signals that's gonna come in the package here.
Yeah.
And once you turn it on for them. Remember guys, the package comes with Traveling Tall Edition hat, front and rear turn signals, and he chose to get red lenses in the back. Why is it important for you to have custom dynamic lights on your bike?
Because a lot of times drivers don't see a motorcycle because they're not accustomed to seeing them. So when that magic strobe makes that light pulsate and flash, it gets the driver's attention, and it also alerts him, hey, there's something in front of me, and I need to stop.
So if you're a new rider and just bought a Harley, what would be the first upgrade you would suggest for them?
They put the custom dynamic LED lights with the magic strobe. With that magic strobe, you can pick the pattern that you want for pulsation.
So there you have it. It's important to be seen. What was the first install you did to this motorcycle?
It's not going to be the answer you think, but they were ordered first. Did the custom dynamic lights here, and if you'll notice on the back.
Why is it important to have custom dynamic lights on your bike? And why is it important to have the magic strobe?
Oh, to be seen. To be seen. I mean, that's the key to all of it. That's usually the first thing people see is that light.
The first ride, be excited about your new Harley-Davidson. The second ride, before you go out, man, you need to put some custom dynamic lights on it. I recommend them. If you just bought a new Glide, Street Glide, Road Glide, or even Road King Special, the Traveling Tall Edition Custom Dynamics package will fit on your bike, and you get this nice new Traveling Tall Edition hat. So go check out customdynamics.com, and I'll put a link in the description below to the link to the Traveling Tall kit, and I'll put a card in the right of the screen, and you can just click on it. Guys, thank you for watching. Check out customdynamics.com. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.